So here's the Ecozy ice maker right now. It's plugged in but not turned on, and we know that because it's currently red. If I turn it on, it's going to turn on, but there's no water in it, so it should give us an indication that we need to add water. Let's give it a second here to look. Yep, so there you can see it turned red. That means that we need to add water to it. So I'm just going to lift this lid here. I'm going to add the water directly into the unit like this. Let's see if that light goes away after we add this water and after it starts working. And what I'm going to try to do is turn it off real quick and then turn it back on. And you can see that right away, it starts working. You can hear it activate. It's not very loud at all. And now I'm going to close that up and just let it wait. Okay, after about 20 minutes, it's made about this much ice so far. And you can see that it looks like it's constantly producing ice. It does so up in this little mechanism right here. You can kind of see the ice coming out at a really slow rate. And then eventually it gets pushed out by that little bar that is circulating in the back there. So you see how that's happening. We're getting some cubes stuck up in there. Looks like there's some more in the back, and here comes some more getting pushed out again. So it will continuously making ice like that. And if for some reason, you have this open and some of this ice starts to melt for any reason, it will melt right down into the tray, which then will just get turned into more ice. So pretty efficient system and really nice and ready to go. Oh, and also it does come with this little scoop right here too. So you can easily scoop up the ice in there and get that out and get a lot of ice like that. And so this is the Ecozy ice maker, and this can make up to 33 pounds of ice in one day.